A maintenance claim can be attractive and still be misread. A claim of reduced demand for additional on-site antistatic waxing does not make a floor maintenance-free. To interpret the claim correctly, separate three manufacturer-declared design elements, the conductive architecture, the UV surface treatment, and the slow-release wax system, confirm their applicability to the current product and formulation. Manufacturer materials describe an engineered metal oxide conductive phase through the homogeneous PVC body, a separate UV surface treatment, and a slow-release wax system incorporated within that body. These are manufacturer-declared construction statements. They are not independent verification or installed electrical performance evidence. The three roles should not be merged into one claim. The wax system, UV treatment and surface gloss should not be presented as the source or proof of electrical performance. Surface condition and treatment can nevertheless affect footwear floor contact, triboelectric charging and resistance results, so the specified installed system still requires verification. The presence of a slow-release wax system should not be converted into an automatic reduced waxing promise. Any claimed reduction in additional treatment must be tied to current product guidance, site conditions, and supporting evidence. There is no universal maintenance interval. Traffic changes abrasion and contamination. Cleaning practice changes how the working surface is treated. Operating conditions influence when maintenance needs review. Follow current, product-specific instructions. Where those instructions permit condition-based treatment, define documented triggers using traffic, cleaning history, observed surface condition, product compatibility, and the electrical checks required by the ESD control plan. Reduced waxing does not remove routine cleaning, inspection, spill response, or control of damaging maintenance practices. Nor does it justify applying additional treatment without first checking compatibility and approved instructions. Appearance is not electrical evidence. A clean or glossy surface does not prove electrical performance. Likewise, one in-limit resistance result does not establish walking body voltage performance or the adequacy of the maintenance plan. Identify the measurand, floor point-to-point resistance, floor resistance to ground, or resistance through the person, footwear, and flooring system. Each answers a different question. Where flooring forms part of an ESD control program, define the required property, test method, locations, conditions, acceptance criterion, and response to a failed result. Maintenance records and electrical records answer different questions. Both may be needed to explain a change in performance. Initial purchase price is only one line in a flooring comparison. Where fewer waxing cycles are achieved, recurring wax, labor, and maintenance-related downtime costs may be lower. Routine cleaning and required electrical verification remain. The actual effect is site-specific and does not establish a guaranteed total cost reduction or payback. A useful maintenance plan identifies the approved cleaning method and compatible products. It identifies the owner of routine inspection and records, and the conditions that trigger review or added treatment. It also defines the electrical checks required by the project, and the response when surface condition or electrical results change. The precise message is simple. Product construction and maintenance performance are separate claims. Any reduction in waxing must be demonstrated and qualified. Reduced waxing does not mean maintenance-free operation, a universal interval, or guaranteed electrical or economic performance. Current product construction and documentation should be confirmed before specification or purchase. The next note asks which resistance window the project actually needs. See beyond.